What's going on, YouTube? This your boy, AP with AP Performance. So, I'm back. It's been a long time, but I'm back now. Now I got time to go ahead and jump on the truck. You see, you got the head right here. If you can see it, got the head. All right, so I'm gonna put my truck back together. I took it apart, put new 480 in it. So yeah, I got oh, what's crazy is today supposed to be Hurricane Day.
Okay, you stupid.
Right? There's no rain. Let's see what the hell this noise is. Oh, wow. So, today's supposed to be a hurricane day.
Nigga!
No hurricane, no hurricane. Well, we ain't get it yet, so whatever. But since today is a good day, so far it's a good day, so I might as well go ahead and start the truck today. So the goal of the day is put everything back together, put the engine and everything, tighten it all up. I need to go get a seal, so hopefully the discount is open because it's Labor Day and the hurricane's supposed to be hitting today. Yeah, so let's go find out if we go get this motherfucking if we can get this seal. I just finished making my own little conversion. Got a 4L80 slip yoke connected to a TH350 old school, C10 drive shaft. We're gonna make it work until I go get the right drive shaft. We just needed to move the truck around and stuff like that. But you gotta be a MacGyver out here. You gotta use your brain. Ingenuity is a motherfucker. So I know it works. Look. I already removed the clip. There's a T-clip in there. Let me show you what it looks like. Right. This clip here goes in there, like that. Okay? So you remove that, and then let me show you after that. Then pretty much, you remove the clips on both sides. Okay? You get a big enough socket here, and tap it down so that it slides out, okay? So let me do it right now. So I'm gonna use a socket here, big enough socket to go around it, so once you knock it in, it can slide within it. So you put that there. Okay, make sure it's supported. Make sure you have it supported a certain way that it can just freely sit. I'm gonna put it here on the edge. Right there. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna beat shut of it. Alright, hold on. And make sure you beat it slowly because you don't want the bearings to fall out if you're going to reuse it. So. By this point, be careful so that you don't lose the bearings out of it. This one here is a different kind of U-joint. The C-clip is inside here. On both sides. Okay? You get your hammer and flathead and knock it out, and then you could just do the same thing, have the other one. So, let's get to it. Make sure you get something to hold it, because it's gonna fly.